Hi, I'm Marina Franco with the Houston Recovery Center, and today we're going to spend some time with Judge Thomas. Thank you so much for joining us, Judge.
Thank you for having me.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself, your background, and what you do as a judge?
Well, currently I am assigned to preside over the Responsive Interventions for Change docket. Previously we were referred to as Reintegration Court docket. I've been doing that for almost 2 years now. In addition to that, I also preside over the Felony Mental Health Court program here currently. In terms of background, I have been a judge total for probably about 12 years. I served for about 10 and a half years as a district court judge, 338 District Court, for a total of about 10 and a half years, where I presided over all levels of felony cases, everything from drug offenses to murder cases, capital murder cases, and everything in between.
Okay. So how did you first hear about the Houston Recovery Center?
Work through either drug court or through mental health court and just through involvement through the justice system. I've met Mr. Kincaid years ago at a number of different things and through a number of different venues. Specifically with our mental health court program, several of the recovery coaches that work with the Recovery Center have worked with a number of our participants and clients, and more recently with our Responsive Interventions for Change court docket. We've been working with them pretty closely from the beginning with that as well.
Okay, and what is the goal of the Reintegration Court?
To identify individuals that could use treatment, get them linked up with the appropriate treatment and resources and support services that go along with that to give them a chance to be successful. So that's what we hope to do and try to do.
That's great. So how did it come about that HRC was asked to work with you?
Well, it's just something different that having that active peer support can provide. And so since the Recovery Center had been doing that, it was kind of natural that they were included, and with the individuals that helped come up with the grant proposal to begin with, that was just kind of a natural place to be able to go because of the work that had already been done there and some of the prior work that had been done, and to build on that.
Well, thanks. That's great. Can you tell me what is the goal of the court moving forward?
Well, I think our initial numbers are, in the first 2 years, we've had approximately 10,000 cases that have been filed and have come through here. Now, obviously, just because a case has been filed here doesn't mean it gets disposed of here. Some cases have to be sent to a regular court, if you will, for trial or for disposition. But we've been able to turn it around, at least from what was happening pre-RIC when it started, where when you take out dismissals, most of the people were taking time versus some kind of diversion. We're having a lot more people now taking diversion, either pretrial intervention, which is a year-long contract with appropriate treatment or programming, or deferred adjudication. So we have done what we have set out to do at the very beginning by providing more diversion opportunities. There's no question about that. Obviously, what we have to continue to work on is providing more of those diversion opportunities. But when it comes to diversion, it's not just enough to divert people away from jail. You have to divert them towards something that's beneficial to them. So the other part of what we do is not just providing those diversion opportunities. We want to set people up with chances to succeed and the tools to do that. I think we've done good things. I think there are things certainly we can improve on, and there's much more to be done. But I think we have a good team and a good plan in place to address that.
I agree. And we thank you so much for working with us, and thank you so much for spending time with us today.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.